Welcome to Ford Academy. In this video, we will be considering the Brant test of parallel assumption. It is always very important to carry out the test of parallel assumption so as to ensure the validity of a model and also to detect violations that could lead to biased results. So first, we have to import our data set into Stata. I already have my data set imported into Stata. Also, before you can carry out the brand test in Stata, you always have to run the ologit command. So doing that now, we can just run the ologit command. For this particular data set, my response variable is the educational status. So we also have the age, region, and residence. So we run this. After running this and after we now have our output for this, we can now carry out the Brant test. So all we have to do is to type the command Brant and would have our output for this. Also, it is very important to note that if you are carrying out the Brant test for the first time on your Stata software, you would have to install the Brant package. And to do that, all you have to do is to type find it s post 13 underscore ado, then you run this. After running this, you have this and you just click on it. After clicking on this, you can now click here to install. I already have the package installed in Stata. That is the reason when I ran the Brant command, that's the reason I have my output. But if you don't install, if you don't have the package installed into Stata already, you would end up not having an output. It's going to give you command not found. If you are running the Brant test for the first time in Stata, you would have to install the Brant package. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe so you can always be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you.